I am Curtis Kastner with the Food Science Institute at Kansas State University, working with the education and outreach portion of the CAP grant. And we wanted to take just a few minutes to give you an update relative to the things that will be going on within the education part of this grant. And you can find many more details at the website under Education and Outreach tab, but just a bit of information that hopefully you will find useful relative to information transfer, knowledge transfer of the things that will be coming off of this grant. In order to be able to capture that, to chronicle that, one of the things we've done is that we are planning to capture modules as the collaborators on the project make progress. And that way we can keep it current, keep it updated, give opportunities for students and others to go to the website and get the most current information on this research as well as educational opportunities on the grant. So we're going to be capturing some modules. As the project matures, one of the things that we hope happens is that we're able to take those modules, blend them together, and put them into courses that could be used for credit, non-credit, at least as a package that people would be able to use. What we would, for example, a faculty member that's teaching a food safety course could then use that package of information or individual modules to enhance their class and to send additional information and give additional information to the students, and hopefully will enhance their educational experience. In order to be able to further build on that, what we've planned is that we have paid internships of students that will be working with the collaborators to go into the labs to get those experiences, whether they're research, doing microbiology, or doing educational kinds of activities. And those paid internships of about 200 hours are very attractive ways for students to get additional experiences. In order to supplement that, these are not paid experiences, but the externships will be used in order to give high school students, to give undergraduates, maybe even graduate students, the opportunity for a day or two exposure to what the collaborators are doing. So we have it, the information's up at the website. The students are getting active information by working with the collaborators. In addition to that, it's not just the students that would be doing the internships, but also the opportunity for high school teachers to come in and to have a short time, a week, to sit down and learn more about food safety, STEX, specifically on the project, and then they can take that back and incorporate that into their curricula back at their home high school. And those students, or those teachers, that would be brought in and paid a stipend in order to attend the workshop. And Dr. Jason Ellis will be working with faculty at the University of Nebraska in order to do that workshop. We've also had the opportunity to further enhance these experiences for our interns, the students involved in the project. And we have an ongoing program called the Frontier Program that has not just internships, but also would have field trip experiences for the students to go on to learn more about the food system, to learn more about food safety, the actual application. Go out and visit ports so that we would know, so the students have a better real-world feel for the food safety, food security area. Again, in summary form, to capture some of the specific things we'll be doing on the project. For example, as we capture the courses and the modules, we'll be working with Dr. Dan Thompson out in the College of Veterinary Medicine. And the person that'll be facilitating this is Sarah Reisner. There's a picture of her at the website, so you can visit there. If you've got questions about it, contact Sarah as well. But just the internships, they're not it's not just for a very limited group. This is going to be a broad application process to include minority serving institutions, and Dr. Jeff Whitty at New Mexico State University is going to help us with that effort. So we have a number of people involved, number of faculty, staff, and we just hope that you find the website useful. We hope that you find this summary useful, and we look forward to working with you on this important project, food safety, food security, relative to the STEX and how they impact the beef safety and beef industry. Thank you.